Another great thing with this system is if you go to, gosh, she's scary. There you go, I'll just turn that down. If you click on the red triangle with the 3 red circles at the bottom, you can see Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth there. So when I go to media, and again you can either click the star here, go to media like so, or you could have clicked the menu at the top and you see it there. That's this ladies group. I'll turn it up on here, but it's not playing because it's not turned up on my iPhone, but when I do, there you go. So that's how to stream audio or play music through the system in the GLC. Easy system, good system to use, and that's it. Thanks for watching.